More than 511 pips, guys, were made this week so far within just 2 days. Can you believe it? I'm showing to you here the results from the premium group itself. This is the premium group on Telegram. And as we can see, my friends, the results are in front of you without hiding anything at all. I'm just scrolling and showing to you a very small losses compared to these very big profits. As you can see, most of the signals, guys, has went in the green and actually made a lot of profits to our clients. So many signals, of course, has also hit the take profit number 3. So again, really, guys, so far it's an excellent week. As you can see, pound CAD and euro CAD have both of them hit the take profit number 3. That can be also seen in the messages that we have received from the clients this week so far. We have received number of happy messages from the clients who are actually very pleased for the experience. This gentleman here says he have actually lost a lot of money with the scammers, and he's very happy to finally find Xtreme trader, and he's making profits with the signals. So again, guys, I believe it's excellent week and great for everyone, and I'm sure the premium group are very happy and glad for joining the premium group and enjoying these signals. So of course, guys, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. So let's now begin, my friends, with the midweek analysis, and as you can see, we will start with the Euro USD. So I'm very happy to see the signal have worked exactly as given. The market reversed exactly at 1.02741, and it went all the way to the take profit level, making in total 93 pips of profit, and it has even exceeded that level by making in total 203 pips before reversing. So again, excellent signal. I mean, almost the zero drawdowns. I hope you guys have taken this signal and have enjoyed making all these profits. So now what's next with the Euro USD? Well, before that, please don't forget, guys, to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, share the video. So before we say anything further, we have to highlight something here, my friends. Today, we are having the, actually a lot of news coming today. We are having the CPI news for the CAD pairs, and we are having also the retail sales for the USD pairs, all at 5:30 p.m. Dubai time, 1:30 p.m. GMT time. It's really important, guys, to remember that these news are highly effective on the market. They can actually make a huge impact on it, and they might actually change the entire direction of the signals which I'm about to give you right now. So please be careful and trade wisely, and I really highly advise you guys to close your trades before the news comes out. Once the news are over, you can reopen your trades again, but I really recommend you guys to close them because these news cannot be predicted, and most likely they will make a huge impact on the market. So again, please be careful, guys, and I think I have cleared my side by advising you to close the trades. So I hope no one is going to blame me if the signals right now didn't work. Anyway, let's see what we can do next with the Euro USD. Now, if we check the daily chart, my friends, now what we can see right here on the Euro USD, that the market has actually reversed exactly at that level of a key resistance at 1.03627, which was, of course, previously a very strong key support level. We were actually expecting from the Euro USD to make the bullish breakout right here and break out from that level of a resistance, and we can actually buy the retest level at this level of a strong key support. That was the original plan, but I actually have waited for the daily chart to close, and since actually the daily candle has closed like this candle here, I doubt that we can start buying the Euro USD at the moment. We only have to consider shorting the pair. That price action shows actually a weakness in the bullish movement or the momentum, and therefore most likely the Euro USD is gonna continue the fall. So that being confirmed on the daily chart, moving now to the 4-hour time frame. And actually, I need to go even to the 1-hour time frame. So right now, my friends, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the market indeed has reversed from that level of a key resistance at 1.03627. And right here, we can see the market has made a pattern of a fake breakout. And again, the same level of a real resistance has been respected once again. Not only for once, actually for twice. So we can see here on the 2-hour time frame, we had already 2 attempts from respecting that level of a resistance, which means most likely the Euro USD is indeed going to continue the fall at this point. Maybe I'm a little bit late, but I had to, because I really had to wait for the daily chart, or sorry, the daily candle to close to see the price action. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the original analysis was suggesting to buy the Euro USD at the retest of that level of a support, but I decided actually to wait like a few more hours to see how the daily candle is gonna close, and here are the results. It seems like it's gonna be bearish. Anyway, most likely, my friends, we will be shorting the Euro USD exactly at this level, 1.03627. We just have to wait for the market to rise for about 16 or 17 pips before we can start shorting it. However, this time, the take profit level is going to be placed almost at the same level where we have originally bought the Euro USD last Saturday, which means we are aiming approximately 88 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance at 1.04153. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the Euro USD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, again, for the Pound USD also, it was excellent signal. The market has reversed exactly at this level of the buy and went all the way to the take profit level, making more than 230 pips of profit. Guys, please let me know in the comments if you have taken these signals and have enjoyed making this profit. This actually, my friends, was one perfect signal. I'm so happy about it. Alright, let's see now what we can expect next with the Pound USD. So again, if we check the daily chart now, we can notice here, my friends, that the market is actually going to continue the fall. Let me just show it to you. The resistance right here. The resistance right here at 1.18969 was actually very strong. The market has reversed exactly on this level. And the previous daily chart for for Tuesday has actually closed below that level of a resistance. Indicates that the market is most likely going to continue the fall till it makes the second attempt of the support. This is actually support number 1. And this was the strong key support level, which has been originally respected. Therefore, we can expect now from the market to continue the fall till it reach that level of a support to complete the second attempt of it before the market make any further moves. Now, however, if we check now the resistance trend lines, we will notice something different. Check this out. Not different, I mean something to confirm this. I mean, we can see that the market indeed has made here a strong, very strong actually key resistance trend line, and right here we can see the bullish breakout candle has appeared. Now, the next movement we can expect from the Pound USD is to retest, actually to reach the same level of the highest level of the resistance, and then from that point it's going to continue the fall all the way to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line. So the Pound USD is actually having a good chance for a continuation in the bearish movement. But however, we are just going to keep the trade running till the market reaches the lowest level of a support at 1.17383, because we just need to be safe. Keep in mind, guys, I'm analyzing on the daily chart, so we have to be careful right now and just trade wisely. That being said, now moving to the 1 hour time frame. Now actually on the daily chart we have identified the direction. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we will identify where exactly we can start buying the pair. Now, actually, we can expect from the Pound USD to continue the fall for a few more pips till it reaches that level of a support, and afterwards it's gonna make another pullback. And I believe this resistance right here is gonna be a strong level, and from this point we can start actually shorting the Pound USD. Exactly, just like that, guys. So this was a previous support level, which has been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle, and right now the market has already went up and respected that level as a new resistance. Now we can see the rejection right here is happening, so therefore we can expect from the market to make the pullback, and then it's gonna continue the fall, as I said earlier, to reach that level of a support at 1.17382. Now that means the safe zone is gonna be actually just right here till the highest level of the nearest resistance at 1.19463, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 67 pips. Meanwhile, we are aiming 153 pips. Moving now to the AUD USD. Alright, so for the AUD USD signal, actually it hasn't been triggered from last Saturday. Therefore, we can see right now what we can do next with the AUD USD. I think it's really simple. I believe it's gonna be similar to the previous two pairs. Now we can see, my friends, the resistance level right here at 0.67698 has also been respected, and the current daily candles has also closed exactly on the same level of that resistance, which means the AUD USD is most likely going to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a near strong key support level at 0.66650. Sorry. So that means the AUD USD still has about 72 pips more to go. However, let's now go to the smaller time frame to identify where exactly we can start shorting the pair. Moving to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, what we can see right here also is a very strong level of a resistance, and pay attention to the price action. So we are having here the real level of a resistance where the reversal has occurred, another respecting of the real level of a resistance, then we had here another fake breakout in the middle. And again, the same level of a real resistance has been respected not only for once, but for twice as well. So that's really good, which means 0.67650, 98, yes, my eyes, guys, I cannot see sometimes these small numbers. Anyway, this level is indeed a very strong level as a previous resistance. However, if we check this pattern or this chart, we can notice right here that we're having, my friends, a broken level of a support trend line. So as we can see, let me just now go to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we're having this support trend line which has been broken out from with that bearish breakout candle. Therefore, we can see the market has already started the bullish reversal upon the pressure from that support, which means the AUD USD is going to continue the rise to reach that level of a resistance, and also respecting that or retesting that level of a broken support trend line to create the new resistance trend line, which means I feel comfortable about it actually to short the AUD USD after rising for about 24 pips, and from that point we can keep the trade running. Let me just go to the 4 hour time frame, actually daily chart, and the trade, guys, we can keep the trade running till it reaches the lowest level of a support exactly right here at 0.66683, which means we will be aiming, let me go back to the 1 hour time frame, we will be aiming 102 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, back to the 4 hour time frame, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging actually higher than this level of a previous support at 0.68187. Let's now move to the USD CAD. Alright, so as we can see, my friends, the USD CAD signal has also reversed at the sell level, but however, it actually went in total of 77 pips, but however, I think now the USD CAD is gonna start a bullish reversal. It seems to me like the support at 1.32391 is actually quite strong. And it doesn't seem to me like the USD CAD is actually gonna resume the fall after this. Let me just show it to you guys. Let me just first of all delete the signal. And wait, I will just keep it for you. So we can see right here that this is the support which has been respected not only once but twice, my friends. We can see right here the market indeed reversed exactly on the same level of that strong key support level. So if there was any bearish breakout candle happened right here, it means that the market is most likely going to continue the fall. But that current price action which we're having right here seems to me like it's gonna it's actually telling us that the USD CAD is gonna continue the bullish reversal. So therefore we have to eliminate the sell signal and get rid of it and replace it with another buy signal. However, I'm going to send you the signal to start buying the USD CAD exactly at the lowest level of a support right here exactly. Let me just be accurate. Exactly at 1.32519. Now actually, my friends, we can see right here, this was actually a perfect level of a support. I mean perfect level of a support. I mean the horizontal line is actually touching every single tail in the pattern, and even right here as well. So meaning 1.32519 is indeed a very strong level of a support. However, we just have to wait for the market to fall for about 33 pips before we can start buying it. However, if you want to go ahead and start buying this pair immediately, I think it's not going to be a bad idea. You can go ahead, but keep in mind the news. Let me just bring it back. This news right here, of course, guys, we should never forget it. The news gonna hit the CAD and the USD together. So are you sure? Are you really sure you want to trade this pair? If you want to do that, you have to be sure to trade it before the news comes out. It's gonna be crazy on this pair, I think. So anyway, guys, most likely we can start buying the USD CAD right here, and the take profit level, if it's hopefully going to be reached, is going to be placed right here at the nearest strong key support level at 1.33888. However, for the safe zone this time, it's going to be ranging just a little bit below that level of a strong key support level. So the edge of the safe zone will be at 1.319992, which means The safe zone is ranging for about 54 pips against 135 pips of profit. Moving now to the USDJPY. Alright, so the signal of the USDJPY hasn't been triggered, and the market just reversed like about 24 pips before reaching the buy level. So let's get rid of this signal and let's see now what we can do next with the USDJPY. So by moving now to the daily chart, my friends, we can see that we are still actually ranging on that level of the previous strong key resistance level at 139.163. This level is quite strong, and for the USDJPY has been struggling to break out from that level for the last 4 days, which means the market is most likely gonna now start the bullish reversal. Now the current daily chart, or sorry, the current daily candle shows us here a potential reversal. Not to mention, of course, the candle right here that we are having, which also have a price action indicates a bullish reversal as well. So meaning, in my opinion, the USDJPY is gonna start the bullish reversal at this point based on the retesting level of the broken resistance. Now moving back to the 4-hour time frame, actually 1-hour time frame. Now the reason I'm jumping in the smaller time frames is actually because I want to find the best entry possible. So on the daily chart we have identified that it's gonna start the reversal. Now on the 1-hour time frame we need to find the strongest levels of a real support, and based on that determine our entry. Now if we check this support right here, that's actually I'm a little bit late. The reversal has already happened. I was actually looking at this key support level right here, which actually faced here a fake breakout, and then we had here the same level of a support being respected. So therefore we can see that the market is respecting that level as a support. So 136.783 is indeed a strong level. I believe we can start buying the USDJPY at this level. Now we can see also that the USDJPY is actually facing a resistance pressure. So the pressure right here might actually force the pair to make one more pullback to fall for about 61 pips, and from that point we can proceed to buy the pair again. Now just to have a perfect entry, let me just increase this, raise this line a little bit. Just perfect. Perfect. So as you can see, my friends, this was the real level of a support and fake breakout in the middle, and right now we can see the same level of a real support being respected. Therefore 138.917 will be the level where we can start buying the USDJPY and keep the trade running till the market reaches the highest level of a resistance right here at 140.813, which means we are aiming approximately 190 pips profit from the signal against the safe zone. Shouldn't actually be ranging for so long. I mean, just a little bit below this level of a support at 138.216, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 70 pips against 190 pips of profit. Moving now to the USDCHF. Alright, so USDCHF, my friends, was also a very good signal. The market has reversed at this still level, and it went for about 100 pips of profit before reverses back and goes right now currently in 14 pips of profit only. So it was another good signal, and I'm sure, guys, many of you have taken this signal and closed it in small profit. I mean, most of you guys, I'm sure, not even waiting for the take profit level to be reached, and that is actually what I really support. Don't really wait for the take profit level. For example, for the USDCHF, the market kept falling down till it reached the lowest level of a support at 0.93697. So closing your trade right here is gonna be smart. Even if the candle is going to continue to fall later, you actually have closed your trade at the lowest level of a support where you are expecting from the market to make a bullish reversal. So why risking to lose the profits? Just close the trade instantly and take the profits and get out of it. So you get out with about, I would say about 91 pips of profit, which is fantastic. Anyway, guys, let's see what we can do next with the USDCHF. I think we can no longer short the pair. The reason is the reversal, which I have just talked about on this support at 0.93707. We can see, my friends, the rejection right here from breaking out from that level of a support. So actually selling right now, I don't think it's a smart idea, to be honest. The reversal here was actually very strong. The reaction of the candle, we can see here the pin bar has appeared. So the reaction of the candle after reaching this level of a support is quite strong. It's telling us like, no, we cannot break out from that level. No, it's very strong. Check this out. The whole daily chart, actually, it was just a long tail at that level of a support and has ended up, of course, as a pin bar. So the idea here is this level is so strong. I mean, if the candle has closed as a full bar, it would have been a different story. But the candle has closed as a strong pin bar, which means, and check even the current daily candle. All of that tells us that the USD/CHF is indeed going to continue the rise. Therefore, we can no longer keep the short order. We have to consider only buying the USD/CHF at this moment. Therefore, by moving now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly, my friends, that on the current price action that we have, on the current pattern, this was indeed a very strong level of a real support, exactly at 0.94157. This was a real support, Then in the middle, we had here this fake breakout, and we can see the same level of a support has been respected again. Not to mention, of course, that this price action, these 3 candles, usually indicates for a bullish reversal. So again, all of the signs tells us that we can start buying the USD/CHF. I'm going to suggest you to buy the USD/CHF right away. But however, if you want to have more accurate entry, we just wait for the pair to fall for about 30 pips more before we can start buying it. And this time, the take profit, actually, let me just check out on the, yes, I need to check on the left side. The take profit level is going to be placed exactly right here at the nearest strong key support level at 0.95573, which means we are expecting to make about 143 pips profit from the signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone is ranging just a little bit below that support at 0.93582, which means it will be ranging for about 55 pips. Moving now to the gold. Alright, so guys, again, gold signal was perfect signal, as we can see, with almost 0 drawdowns, and the market has went in total of 320 pips. How cool is that? Guys, again, please let me know in the comments that you have made, if you have made any profit with this signal. I really want to know that. I mean, this is really what's important to me. This is really what matters to me. And anyway, currently the gold is running in exactly 200 pips of profit. However, what should we expect next with the gold? First of all, let me delete this all signal, because the buy order, in my opinion, is no longer valid. Why? Let's check the daily chart. Now, the daily chart, my friends, shows us that the market has indeed reversed exactly at that level of a real resistance right here at 1787.76. I mean, almost right there. I mean, just like, let me just try to make it there. I mean, guys, check this out. Almost right there, really. This was the real level of a resistance. It was also a previous support. We had here the fake breakout, and now we can see that the same level of a real resistance has been respected again. So now it seems to me like the gold is actually going to continue the fall till it reaches the support level right here, which was previously a resistance at let me just be accurate, as 1760, I would say 1760.78 is going to be our target. Another way to confirm this is, of course, by using the support sorry, the resistance trend line. 1 second, guys. Okay, so we can see here another way to confirm this is by using the resistance trend line. And of course, guys, this is a strategy called the magic of trend lines. You can find it on my channel. Just look up for my channel on a videos called the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2. Now let me just show you. I have drawn here this resistance trend line from this lower high to this lower low. What I will do next is just simply drag the very same level of a resistance trend line and place it right here at the absolute highest high for the gold. And check this out. The market is really indeed respecting that level, which means the strategy of the resistance trend line is really working. And trust me, guys, it's not a coincidence what's happening. That level of a real resistance, which was previously a very strong key support level also, is most likely going to be now respected. So the gold is actually facing a strong pressure at this point. So most likely the gold is going to continue the fall. Now, that being judged on the daily chart, let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, also these wicks right here at the peak of that resistance tells us that the gold is indeed facing a pressure on that level. So most likely, guys, we have to consider shorting the gold at the moment. Now, the question is where exactly we can start shorting the gold for the best results. Let me just lower this resistance line to be exactly right here. Exactly, perfect. 1781.43. That's, guys, gonna be the best level in my opinion to start shorting the gold. If we check on the left side as well, check this out. It was actually a perfection. It was also the highest level of the resistance right here, which was previously a real level of a resistance also, which means selling the gold, if it's hopefully gonna make another pullback to rise up for about 57 pips, is gonna be the ideal entry for us. However, for the take profit level this time, let me just zoom out, and let me just tell you that most likely, guys, we're gonna keep the trade running till it reaches the lowest level of a support right here, right there, and right there as well, as 1754 exactly. So meaning 1754 is gonna be our take profit level, where I think we have originally bought the gold previously. And we can actually expect to make approximately 280 pips profit from the signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance right here as 1794, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 138 pips against 286 pips of profits. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold and for all the USD pairs for this for the remaining days of this week. However, guys, I just wanted to highlight, last week was actually a very successful week for the signals. Of course, I'm talking about YouTube signals. Saturday signals went very well. Late week analysis went very well. Midweek analysis went very well. Only Friday analysis went very bad. Actually, not almost all of the signals went in the opposite direction on Friday. Then this Saturday, almost all of the signals have went in the take profit level. So as you can see, guys, not every day is going to be profitable in Forex. Not every single time we analyze the market is going to be correct and it's going to be accurate prediction. Sometimes my prediction can go in the absolute other way. So again, guys, please be careful and don't get overhyped with the recent results that we are having. Forex is unpredictable and it can always go in the opposite direction. There is not a single trader in this world who can predict the market correctly every single time. It's not going to happen. It doesn't exist. So again, guys, I want to remind everyone about the news today for the USD and the CAD pairs. Please pay attention. 5:30 p.m. Dubai time, 1:30 p.m. GMT time. Everyone, please caution and be careful about the news and trade wisely. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.